I need the sun, boy. Ooh, that sun is popping. What's crack-a-lacking? I stay joshing. You know what it is. All right, today, all right, we doing another install, but this one's gonna go faster. It's gonna go easier because the car's a little slower, of course. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I'll see. Did you find the screws?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so I don't know if y'all seen the video previously when we did it on mine, but this one again is gonna go pretty fast. He got all his tools. You know what I'm saying? I think you just need a flathead, a screwdriver, need a small tip for the screwdriver on the sensor, and then for everybody that's watching that want to know, it's already pulley down. So by the time we do this intake, it should sound fucking amazing. He already did everything that needs to be done to the car already.
A few moments later.
Here go the car. Boom.
There we go.
I mean, he slammed it, so it could have bent or something, but
you know.
it's installed, it's closed. That took honestly probably like 15-20 minutes, super easy, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, install's complete, like I said, 20 minutes. I mean, worst will come to worst, the shit blows up, but hey, guess what, guys?
We got insurance, man.
He got insurance. And then, yeah, that's it. So let's see how this thing sound. I'm excited to hear it. It only took him about 3 orders. First one, he ordered the SS. And then the second one, he ordered the Zl1, but it was a dry filter. And now he went with the wet filter. So, again, if you want to hear it, you want to check it out, Zl1 1le, so go ahead. He made sure he kept it nice and short, because I don't think, you know what I'm saying, them New York boys. I'm sure it wasn't like Zl1, what's a New York word? Like, you know what I'm saying? Fucking Zl1, ayo son, or some shit like that. Ayo B, Zl1 1le. What that song say? First day in, last day out. This might be the first and last start. that boy is scared. We left the screws. So what do y'all think, man? Should we go straight pipe? I'm thinking, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but do we go straight pipe on this? Woo-hoo. Here's a few things I want. Carbon fiber dash. That thing is going to whine. I should be helping right now, bro. But hold on. Hey, he locked. You see that shit in there? The fucking little ratchet is in there, bro. He closed that bitch up.
Bro, we all here, bro. We make mistakes, bro.
Hell yeah. Okay. All right. So there we go.
Did I do that?
All right. It's open now. God damn. We're gonna do a test. Probably gotta. Your muffler is so loud, it's probably like, yeah. I might need to fucking get out and your ass do a flyby. That's what it is.